G'day everyone, what a magnificent afternoon to come fishing, and today I'm fishing in this little creek and I'm fishing for a redfin, otherwise known as English perch. Now, normally when I'm fishing in this creek, I'm targeting carp. Normally all I ever catch in this creek is carp. But last time I came here, I was targeting carp and I caught a redfin as a bycatch. But I didn't catch any carp. What that means is I've caught 100% more redfin than I've caught carp in here since the winter. So today I'm specifically targeting redfin instead of carp. In actual fact, I'm not really doing anything different. I'm using the same rods, rigs and bait. One can go there. And rod number 2 I might just put down there. Seems to be a little bit deeper where I put that rod there. Actually, I've got my deeper fish finder in the car. I should get it out and just see if I can find where the deeper spots are, where the more likely, the fish are more likely to be holding. I might do that actually. Rightio, I've connected my Deeper Chirp Plus. This is a mustard fast hash. This is actually the same line clip that I use on a Murray cod fishing. Best line clips on the market as far as I'm concerned. How deep is it over there? It's 90 centimetres. That's actually, it's a metre. That's actually deeper than what I thought it was. It's a flat, quite featureless bottom. 1 metre. You know, that way out there in the middle of that wide part of the creek, it's only 60 centimetres. There's something showing up just there. There's a few things showing up on the bottom of the screen here. Maybe a snag or a log, or there's something sitting on the bottom. 80 centimetres. 80 centimetres just in front of those reeds over there. There's something on the bottom there too. Not much, might be just a stick or a little branch or something down there. Could be a fish, could be a bit of wood, could be anything, but there's something on the bottom just in front of those tussocks. And now it's dropping down to 90 centimetres. And something on the bottom just there too, out in the middle. There's a little, I don't know whether you can see that in the GoPro or not, but there's just something sitting off the bottom just there. I might put this other line here, just out there I reckon. Alright folks, I'm going to put this one over there. Because what I learnt with my Deeper Chirp Plus is that it's a really flat, muddy bottom with no structure. And to be quite honest, I've never lost a hook and sinker in this spot, and that explains why. There's no snags. Something showed up just up there in the middle, like a little snag of some description. Yeah, because there's no snags in the creek here anywhere, I think the best spot to find a fish is going to be close to them reeds, because they've got no logs or anything to hide behind. So the only place they can hide for safety from cormorants or whatever they want to hide from is around the edges, around those weeds, and even under this bank just here. So I think the banks, the edges, are going to be the best spot to fish. Now, after looking at the Deeper, I can see that it's about a metre through here, between 80 and 100 centimetres right through here. Then as it widens up down there, it gets a lot shallower. Down there was only 60 centimetres right out in the middle, so it's 30 centimetres deeper here. So we've got a deeper channel, then it sort of goes up down there where the current slows down. Over around the edges here, there was a little bit of structure of some kind just in front of those reeds, and there was a little bit over there where I've just put this rod as well. So because they're the only spots where anything showed up, and they're close to the reeds and they're the deepest part of the little creek here, I'm going to concentrate my efforts around those weed beds over there. Now don't forget, I've said it before, but I'll remind you again, you can buy the Deeper Chirp Plus. I'll put a link down below this video to where you can buy it online and receive a 15% discount if you use the discount code Deeper/Robbie/15. I'll put all the information in the description below anyway. Give me a nibble on this rod. Here we go. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Something's sucking on it. Got him. Oh, you gotta be joking. I've caught my target species, folks. Look at that. That is what I came here for. It's not a surprise bycatch today. It's exactly what I was after. He's got the hook down a bit low, which is a bit of a bugger. I'll try and get it out. No, I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it. Look at that. There's a little bit of blood here, but I reckon he'll be fine. I've caught exactly what I came here for. A redfin. I came here last year and caught a stack of carp and 1 Murray cod. This year I've been here twice and I've caught 2 redfin. Now I am going to be 100% honest. My line wouldn't have been there if it wasn't for my Deeper Chirp. I initially had it in down there, but the Deeper Chirp just showed that there's something on the bottom over there, some kind of structure or something, and it's nice and deep and it's close to the weeds. And I just thought that is the spot to go, given the structureless nature of the creek. I chose that spot based on the readout from my Deeper Chirp Plus, and it paid off. When I was fishing with Straubs on trout opening last weekend, he was all excited. He said, "Robbie, guess what?" He said, "Last night I had a good score. I broke into a shop and I stole about 9 or 10 photos, and they were worth so much money. Some of those photos were worth nearly $400,000 each." I'm like, "Wow, can you show me the photos?" So he showed me the photos. Turns out he just broke into the local Harcourt's real estate and stole all their for sale signs. It's getting a bit of a nibble on the Black Queen at the moment. Still nibbling. The line's gone a bit slack. What's it doing? Something's stuffing around with it here. Got it. Oh, it's another one. Get the net. Where's the net? Where's the net? I don't want to lose it. I don't want to lose it. Oh, look at that. Wow. Pelican, I don't know what the hell that was. All right, buddy, there you go. Oh, a big carp just jumped over there. That's right above this other line. That is directly above this other line here. I can't catch a carp. I've been here twice now and I've caught 3 redfin. This is my carp fishing spot. When I made my intro today and said I'm fishing for redfin, secretly I thought I'm not going to catch any redfin. That was a fluke. I'm just going to catch carp. Obviously they're still here. They're just not biting. Rightio folks, you have just watched a Robbie fishing vlog. Vlog being a fishing log. This has just been a video log of my fishing adventures. Nothing special. Small fish beat no fish every time. Keep it positive, Robbie, keep it positive. Thanks very much for watching. If you've liked this video, why not subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.